Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to make a sunset painting with acrylic colors. So let's get started. For this I am going to use that yellow color firstly. Just I'll use yellow color, orange and white to make the sunset. So I have done some orange color, in between there's light yellow color and white, mix it well and then this kind of effect will come. Now we'll take up some white color and make these kind of impressions in the sky, in the water also. This looks lovely. Okay, now we'll take up some black color and start painting. First of all, making a ground area or a beach island, you can say. Just color it with this color. And give it some grassy effect with the help of this brush. Okay, make some plants here. And Make some plants on the other side. Okay, now I'm going to make a duck, or you can say. Make it all black. Now I'm going to make a mountain like structure. Okay, looks so beautiful. Now I'm going to make two birds. And finally, let's paint our sun. For that, I'm taking a white paint. Okay, so beautiful sun it is. And just give us a hint of orange to make it look like a sunset. So friends, our beautiful acrylic painting, sunset painting with acrylic paints is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye. Take care.